Alrighty guys, let's go back to our last chart. Which were we at? GJ. Oh, let me see if I'm profiting off that SP. I want to see my profits, see the current trades I'm in right now. Come on. No. History, no. Trade. What the hell? There we go. Oh shit, I'm minus 45. No biggie. Yep, I knew it was going to do that. And it still got a lot of momentum. Oh yeah, I'm going to profit. I need to set my, here's where I'm going to set my target. Set my target right above here. That's enough profits. It's going to be 31.20. 31.22. I'm going to trade. Modify. No. I'll go to trade down here. So I already went back up to 30. I'm going to press this pencil as a modify. I'm going to set my take profit to 31. What was it, 20? I'm going to say 19. 21.19.0. All right, modify. Boom, now it shows my take profit right here. Damn, that goes a long way for 5 cents. Jeez. Okay, back to the chart. Let's go ahead and delete this trend line. Bow. Get rid of the mess. I really don't like my chart messy, but sometimes this is necessary. All right, now how can we identify supply and demand? Well, you see price started to go down right here. Bam. There's a cycle high right here. Price started to go down. So you know right there's a resistance. So we could just put our red line. Tap that, we already had it. Red line up here. And usually another resistance form right in this area, in this box, in the base area. The candles that go sideways are forming a base. Let's add another horizontal line. Boom. See? Price rallied. Here's a base. Rally, base, drop. Sideways. Rallied. No. Rally, base, went sideways, base sideways, drop. Base. Boom, I'll show you another base. So this is a resistance area. I'll just keep it safe right here. Yeah, that's usually the middle. If it's close, if it's two bases close to each other, they're mostly, what the hell are you doing? They're mostly like right in the middle. Boom, between these two bases, that base and that base. Usually the main base is in the middle. And here's another one. Here's another base you could find. Let's use, well, let me see, price up here. Reject it right there because look at all the moving averages. So it closed above the moving average. 8 EMA is moving up. Moving averages play a big role in support. So definitely you won't see price break out through that real quick. Well, right here it did a little bit. Here's another support and resistance area we could draw. I'm trying to make these videos in less than 5 minutes. So let me see, boom. We can say that was resistance to the left. That's when price broke. Then retested down here. So that's how you know there's a resistance. And I always like to put a base, build a base at build a support and resistance level at base. Let's look on a daily chart and see how that looks. Daily. Come on. Daily. Yeah. So these are our two zones right here. Those between those two red lines and these two red lines. The market may range a bit or it just may shoot through support. And this is the daily. So I'm about to profit anyways. It's getting close. Yeah, I'll just be beware of this zone because there are some wicks. And usually when price approaches the wicks, it will tend to come back down. But there is a lot of wicks that did support, that did retest this support area. Resistance. So usually if it touches resistance about 3 or 4 times, then price is bound to move up. Let's go ahead and see if we have confirmation on this chart. Okay, daily chart, we have stochastics going up. It's about to pass the 50 line. If it definitely crosses past 50 after the candle closes, then that's a go. Momentum, it's going down to the zero side, but it's not that steep. So it should, yeah, definitely get me into profits, and it should just go into the red zone. And momentum may not even cross the zero line. It may just go down to reset, and then boom, go back up again, bringing price up. We'll see. So that's how you draw your support and resistance line. I mean, you could draw them in different places, but these are the pretty common strong support and resistance on a daily chart, especially since between these red lines is a lot of point movement, and you could lose some money. Sorry, got blurred. Let's see if I'm profiting now off that SP. 29 bucks down. All right, maybe up in the next video. Let's close this.